To use Google Pay or Google Wallet on Samsung Galaxy Watch 8, first of all, we need to make sure that NFC is enabled. So we're gonna go to Settings. Over here in Settings, go to Connections. And here you should be able to find NFC and contactless payment, so we can make sure that it is enabled. We can also proceed to these settings in order to find the default wallet app. And you probably want to make sure that Google Wallet is selected over here. The next thing that we need to do is download the Google Wallet app, because most likely you don't have it yet on your smartwatch. So we're gonna go to the Play Store. There we go. And over here we need to search for wallet. So just write wallet over here. There we go. We can use recommendations and let's search. You should be able to find Google Wallet app and let's install it. In this case, we need to swipe down in order to confirm our choice. So we need to install required mobile app as well. So let's agree, and now let's wait for the download to be done. Once it is installed, we can open it. There we go. And we will need to grant some permissions, so let's agree to send notifications. You have to have screen lock to be able to use Google Pay, so in my case I don't have it yet, so I'm just gonna press this check, and let me just quickly skip that. Then we will have some instructions that you can tap to pay everywhere you see these symbols. So we can proceed to pay, open Google Wallet and select a card. Hold watch face to the reader near the NFC symbol. You're done when you hear a chime or the watch buzzes. And we are all set. So you can also have some instructions after installing the app. And then we can add our credit or debit card. We need to press this plus button over here, and then we need to continue on our phone. So on your phone you can simply press add to watch. You can choose to add payment card, and then you will need to scan your credit or debit card. Most likely you will open the rear camera in order to do so, and you can also enter your details manually. So unfortunately in my case it seems to be not working. I cannot really connect or actually proceed for some reason. Nevertheless, if you see the camera, you can scan your credit card details, or debit card of course, and there should be also an option that allows you to enter details manually, so you shouldn't have any issues from now on. And that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe.